This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for February 12th, 2026, and I'm Sam Abuel-Salmon, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. Following on last week's announcement, the Chief Financial Officer Kenta Kon will be replacing Koji Sato as CEO of Toyota Motor Company. American Honda has made a similar announcement. Current CEO Kazuhiro Takizawa will be handing over the reins to CFO Eiji Fujimura on April 1st. These moves come at a time when the industry is grappling with a number of issues that are having a potentially existential impact on the business. Every major automaker made enormous investments of tens of billions of dollars to build the infrastructure to transition from internal combustion to battery electric powertrains. Unfortunately, that hasn't played out as hoped, particularly in the U.S. market, where the whole topic of sustainability and electrification has become poisoned by politics from the right wing of the political spectrum. The Trump administration has eliminated all federal incentives for electrification and is in the process of rolling back fuel efficiency and emissions regulations, including repealing the EPA's endangerment finding that justified greenhouse gas regulation. Combined with a number of product planning errors with too much focus on electrifying large trucks and SUVs and challenges with charging infrastructure reliability, sales growth has stagnated. Honda and most other automakers are taking massive write-offs and revamping product strategies to put much more emphasis on hybrids and even new combustion engines. The challenge of electrification is further exacerbated by the financial impacts of Trump's policy of tariffs on almost everything imported and the growing threat from Chinese automakers globally. The elevation of Fujimura to American Honda and Kon at Toyota globally is a sign of the companies feel they need much tighter control over spending in the near term as they navigate the extremely uncertain period over the next 5 to 10 years. This will likely lead to further changes in product strategy, perhaps with more emphasis on affordability in the near term and working to implement ways to reduce the cost of developing and building new products to improve margins as they continue to having to develop multiple powertrain paths. Thanks for listening.